When you set AudioBookShelf up on your UGREEN NAS, you get a private audiobook platform that's secure, fully under your control, and virtually unlimited in storage. You can access it anytime, anywhere. First, you need to create your folders. Go to Files, Shared Folder, and create a folder for your audio files, config files, and metadata. This keeps your whole media library organized. You can name this folder AudioBookShelf. Inside it, create 4 folders called Config, Metadata, Audiobooks, and Podcasts. Next, let's set up the Compose file. Open Docker and go to Project, Create, give your project a name, and the storage path will be filled in automatically. You can get the Compose file from the video description. Just copy and paste it here. For container name, this is where you name the container. The image section is where you put the Docker image you want to use, and latest simply means you're using the newest version. Ports define the port mapping. The number on the left, like 13378, is the external port you can customize and use in your browser to access the service. The number on the right, 80, is the internal port used inside the container. You'll need to replace the volumes paths with the folder you just created. You can right-click that folder, open Properties, copy the location, and paste it here. This tells the AudioBookShelf server exactly where to find your files. You can repeat this operation to modify other paths. Environment is where you set the time zone, and you can change it to match your own location. Restart sets the container's restart policy. When everything is ready, click Deploy. Your NAS will automatically pull the image and start the container for you. Now let's set up AudioBookShelf. You can open it directly from Docker for quick access, or you can enter your NAS's IP address in a browser, along with the port number you set in the Docker Compose file. Once you're on the AudioBookShelf page, create an admin account, set your username and password, and click Submit. Then log in using the account and password you just created. Click Submit, and you'll enter the main interface. Click Add your first library under Libraries. Give your library a name, and if you want, you can change the icon as well. For Metadata Provider, you can choose where AudioBookShelf should pull the covers and descriptions from. It will use one of the listed sources to fill in the details for your library. Click Browse for Folder, then select the folder on your NAS where you stored your audiobooks. Click Select Folder Path, and then Create. You can repeat the same steps to add your podcasts. Just change the media type to Podcasts. Choose the folder where your podcast files are stored on the NAS, and complete the same actions. Once your libraries are created, click the Upload button to start uploading your audiobooks or podcast files. You can upload single files or entire folders. After the upload finishes, AudioBookShelf will need a moment to scan everything. Once the scan is done, you can start playing your files right away. Audiobooks and podcasts are kept separate, and you can switch between them at the top.